Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work as we started the chapter number 12 as our areas related to the circles. Okay, 12.2 exercise was going on and we have discussed about the area of the sector. Today we will discuss about the area of the segment. So to discuss about this one topic, firstly we will see what is the segment. So here if we will draw a circle and having a center as a O, if we will draw any chord of the circle AB, okay, then AB chord is divide the circle into the two parts such that these two parts are called as a segment. Okay, so it is called as a segment. Smaller one called as a minor segment and bigger one called as a major segment. If this chord is as equal to the diameter, then the circle is divided into the two equal parts such that both are called as a semicircle. Okay, so here we have the segment divided by a chord. So here we will find out the area of a chord, area of the segment. Mean to say, if we will put the point here as a P, then we have to find out this part area. So let us start it now. How can we find out the concept of this area of the segment? Firstly you can see we have discussed about the area of the sector. So here if I am drawing the taking the 2 points AB, then O is a center, then AB as a chord of the circle, then AOB, and this it is called as a sector, and area of sector we studied. Then area of sector is equal to, that is theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Into the previous part we have done this one part. Okay, and now we want to find out the area of segment. Then you can easily see the area of the segment is area of the sector included the area of the triangle also, right? So here if we will see, if we will subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the sector, so this implies that is the part of the area of the segment. So here we can write area of sector minus area of corresponding triangle, as here will be area of AOB. So we have to find out the area of the segment. Firstly we will find out the area of the corresponding sector and included that triangle we will subtract it, then remaining part is the area of the segment. Okay, so let us use this one concept into the question as 12.2 exercise. Here is 6th question we will do. So let us start it now. Okay students, now we have to find out the area of the segment. Firstly, to find out the area of segment, we will find out the area of the related sector. So here the area of sector is equal to, already we know that theta upon 360 into pi r square, where we have given the radius is equal to 15 centimeter and theta is equal to 60 degree. So here we will fill the value as pi value they are saying, fill the 3.14 and r is 15. So here is 15 into 15. It is cut out on the 6. Here is on the 3 table 5s are. Then if you will remove the decimal, here will be the 100. Then 2, here will be 20. Again here is 3 and 4. And 2 will cut out here 157. So remaining part is, we have 157 into 3 upon 4. This is as into the centimeter square we can write. Okay, and otherwise here if we will do the calculation, then we will write here multiply by 3. So here will be 471 upon 4 centimeter square. Okay, so now let us do the concept of the area of triangle. Area of triangle AOB. We know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. This triangle does not contain the height. So to find out the height, we will use the, as you can see, if we will take out the triangle outside. So here is O, A and B. If we will construct the height here, it is the 15 and 15, OA and OB, both are the radius of the circle, so both are equal to each other. So this implies it is isosceles triangle. If we will draw the altitude, so this implies it will be bisect the chord also. As into the 9th class we studied, if there is a from in isosceles triangle, if any perpendicular from the center of the circle for the isosceles triangle, then it will be bisect the chord also, right? So here will be, suppose here is a C point. Then we have to find out the AB length, and here will be OC length also. Okay. Here you can see it is the 90-degree angle. If we will write here to find out this one, here we are leaving this one as, suppose it is the first equation. Now we will use into the triangle like as this. In the triangle AOC, here as 15 centimeter it is given. We want to find out the OC, where central angle it is given 60. So bisection of this one, it makes as a 30 degree and 30 degree. So this part is left as a 30 degree. So angle adjacent side we are calling as a base, and opposite side we are calling as a perpendicular. By using the trigonometry ratios, we can write here OC upon base upon hypotenuse as OA, which is equal to cos 30 degree. So here will be OC is equal to OA, it is given 15, cos on this one side, multiply by cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So we can write here OC, which is the perpendicular distance into the triangle, but here we have it as a base. So here will be 15 root 3 by 2. Okay, this part we find out which is the height of the triangle. Now let us find out the AC value. Now AC is equal to, here will be AC perpendicular upon hypotenuse OA, which is equal to sin 30. So here will be sin 30 AC is equal to 15, goes on that one side, and sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So we can write here 15 by 2. But we have here only AC, but we need as a base of the triangle as AB. We know that AC is equal to CB, which is equal to as 2 times, it is 2 times of, if you will write AB is equal to 2 times of AC. So this implies 2 multiplied by 15 upon 2. So 15 centimeter. Okay, so AB value is this one. So now these two parts as AB is equal to 15 centimeter as a base, and OC is equal to 15 upon 2 root 3 value this one we will use to find out the area of the triangle AOB. So area of triangle we can write by first equation, area of triangle AOB is equal to 1 by 2, base is 15 and height is 15 upon 2 root 3. So which means as a 15, 15s are 2 to 5 upon 4 root 3. Okay, now we will fill this value as to find out the area of the segment. So let us do that one part now. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of related triangle. Okay, and now already we find out this is the area of the sector. Here we have area of triangle. Okay, so we will fill the value 471 upon 4 minus this one as 225 upon 4 root 3. So this much is the into the centimeter square. This is the area of the segment. Okay, if you want to find out the area of the major part also as into the major part, then from the full circle we can remove this one area. Full area is pi r square, then we can remove that one area also. Okay, I think you understand this one concept. If you have any query, then you can ask me into the Zoom session. Okay, and thank you. Have a nice day.